Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really cool video showing you how you can make your own version of the Tezza Collage kit. If you don't know who Tezza is, she is like the most amazing photographer. I literally love her aesthetic. I love her pictures. It's like super vintage, but then like super like modern. I don't know. She has like the best curated presets for pictures, and she's just so good at photography. But basically she created her own collage kit that you can put on your walls. You can put it in your room, in your office, wherever you want. Super vibey, super cool. But I'm a broke college student, so I can't afford to buy a $90 collage kit. If you can and you want to buy it, definitely go support her. She's amazing. I'm gonna leave her link, her website link to buy the kits down in my description box. But if you want to make your own, I'm gonna show you how, so just stay tuned. So I decided to use Shutterfly. I really was not sure if I should have gone the CVS route or the Walgreens route and like picked pictures and like printed them off there, because I've heard people have had a hard time getting like pictures printed off there due to copyright. So I was like, okay, I'll just print them on Shutterfly and see how this goes. So the first thing I did was go on Pinterest and I made my own Pinterest board with a bunch of like vibey pictures that I liked for my room. So I picked a lot of vintage pictures, I picked quotes, just things that like reflected my personality, things that inspired me, and I put them on a Pinterest board and I called it collage. I'm gonna leave my Pinterest board down below in the description, so if you want to use my same pictures or just look at the board and pick and choose, you can go ahead and click the link. So yeah, I made my Pinterest board and I chose all my favorite pictures, and then I went to Shutterfly. So I ordered these pictures, I don't know when Labor Day was, maybe a few weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, a week ago, I don't know. But I ordered them on Labor Day because Shutterfly was having a prints for pennies sale. So basically they're 8x10. That's usually around like, I think $4. They were only selling it for the weekend for like 99 cents. So I was like, okay, it's time, I need help on this. So what I did was I went to Shutterfly. I chose the pictures from my Pinterest board and I uploaded them all to Shutterfly, and then I picked the 8x10, and then I picked the matte option. I didn't really want it glossy, but yeah, I picked the matte option, and then I just kind of fit them in the little, I don't know, it shows you like the sizing of how the picture will print, and so I just fit them in there. And I was really worried about it because the picture thing where it showed like the preview of my image, it said that like, oh, your picture may come out blurry, and I was so scared that my pictures wouldn't come out good and they'd be super like pixelated and blurry, but they came out fine. So if you're gonna print pictures off Shutterfly, definitely don't worry about that. A lot of my pictures, like it had like a little red like warning sign saying that it's not high quality, and I was worried about it, but they came out just fine. Anyway, so I uploaded them all and I fixed them to my liking, and then I sent them out. I only paid $20. I did only print 19, but they're really beautiful and really big, and I don't think I really need any more. Like, I'm looking at my wall, I don't really think I need any more, but of course, like, look at your space, see where you want to put the pictures up. If you need more than like 19 or 20, if you need 50, definitely order to whatever you think you will need. I think for now the amount of pictures I have is fine, but they could definitely, like, I could definitely print some more and like add to my wall. Also, I just wanted to add that this was the route I chose to take. So if you did want to print them at Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, and it's cheaper, definitely do it. I just found that at the time of this sale, this was super cheap, and I don't think I'm gonna print with them again unless it's on sale or have a discount or something. But if you wanted to print out a few pictures that are like really good quality, I think they were about $4, $3 to $4 a piece. So if you did want to invest in that, feel free to go right ahead. Of course, you don't have to. Just do whatever makes you feel good and something that you can afford, of course. So yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna show you. So it came in this little Shutterfly package, and they're super beautiful. I really am in love with them. It's really good quality, guys. Like, it's like paper, it's like photo paper basically. So it's kind of shiny. Yeah, it's pretty shiny, but it's not glossy. This is the matte version. So I can imagine like if I would have gotten the glossy version, probably would have been really shiny. But this is just fine. Then it's literally like photo printed paper. So I just got a bunch of them, and these are all from Pinterest again, so I just got them all. And I'm just gonna show you how I'm gonna like put them together and make the collage on my back wall. That's basically all I did. If you guys have any questions on how I made that happen and like the process of it, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll happily like guide you and answer the questions to that. But yeah, Shutterfly is the place. Definitely recommend. These are 8x10 matte. They're awesome. They're so pretty, and I can't wait to hang them up. So I think what I'm first gonna do is probably just lay them all on my bed and just kind of get a view so I can see them all. And then I'm not really gonna like plan how to make the collage. I think I'll just like pick each one up and then place them as I go. So that's my strategy, but let me just show you the pictures I printed out. So I have some really vintage ones. I have water. I have a God is Good one. I like jazz. So this is where you can start adding your own personality and like things that represent you. Got some cool little scriptures, little quotes. I'm a musician, so music influences me a lot. I got Radio City Music Hall. Another really cool vibey, peachy picture. Of course, a quote. Aretha Franklin, because she's my favorite. I love her. Clouds. Disco ball, because I just love the 70s, and I don't know. I love disco. Favorite show is that 70s show. This picture I took in England. I went to like this really cool cathedral. That's me. This picture is from when I went to Edinburgh, Scotland, which is really awesome. I took that picture as well. I play guitar, so just thought I needed a cool little graphic. I love these like artistic hands. And that's basically it. Not a lot, but I can add more later, or I can keep them the same. But yeah, these are all my pictures. Definitely pick pictures that you like, that inspire you. And yeah. Hey guys, so this is my space. I just wanted to show you guys the tape I bought. I bought wall safe tape. It's just by Scotch. You can find this anywhere, Walmart, Target. I got mine at CVS. They're like $3 a piece. I bought two just in case. I don't think I'll need to use both, but it's good to know that this won't like damage the paint on the walls or anything. It's easily removable. So yeah, get you some good tape too. So what I'm gonna do next is just put tape in the four corners of the back of each of the pictures, and then I'll just paste them. So I'm just gonna speed it up, put it into some fast motion, and I'll see you along the way.
Drove the gates, feeling anxious around 12 a.m. Just moved, but might move it all out again. This feel like deja vu. Swear last year my brain bought the same thoughts through. I blame the things I do. Only difference is I ain't in school. You heard that news? I flip birdies to these worms in suits. You're getting moved in a couple months. So we need
Here is the final product. There's my desk. My desk is from Target, by the way. I really like it. So yeah, here's the final product. I really want to add some more pictures, actually maybe up to the top or like right here on this corner side, just to kind of make it even. But I think it turned out really good, and I just feel a lot more like inspired. I love it because it's so personalized to me. So yeah, I think it's really cool. If you're looking for a more vintage effect, definitely look at my Pinterest board because I have a lot of like vintage pictures. That's kind of my aesthetic. But yeah. Alright, that's all I have for this video. If you guys like this video, please let me know down below. If you need any specific help on how to upload the pictures to Shutterfly, or can't find my Pinterest board or something, just comment down below. I'm so down to help you guys make these because I think it turned out pretty good. It's such a good idea. But yeah, leave a comment down below. I'd love to respond to you. If you want to subscribe, feel free to subscribe. If not, it's totally okay. I'm glad you watched this video and got something out of it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out Tezza. I'm gonna leave her website down below. I'll leave my Pinterest board as well, and I'll leave the Shutterfly link so you can get these specific pictures. But yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.
East Coast inspired. Ain't no biggie when I hit the whiskey, nothing that dark. Skin thin like a wire, we getting twisted. Said we cool, but you a liar on some bitch shit. You see big